there is a time is very limited for me because now my both kids now at this time they are sleeping, and when they got up and they wake up, they disturb me so that uh, we should start our class now. Okay, I put up some questions. First question is that what makes a person successful? Tell me something about successful person. What are the things when we get success in our life? And success is very necessary. What would you say on this thing?
Okay, success is very necessary in our life. Success, we in success we have a smart work. We use smart work and hard work in success. And
Yeah.
and
What is the smart work, Pranav? What is the smart work or what is the hard work? Could you please tell me what is the difference between both of things?
okay,
Hmm.
in smart work um, we don't do any in a proper things.
Okay, just you tell me where whenever we go through online work, at this time you sit in front of me and you are able to see me, you are able to watch me in a far distance. Okay, why? With the help of which protocol helps us between us?
Okay,
Which device
smart work
help
we
us at this time between you and me? Tell me. Digital, digital
uh,
devices, internet. Hmm? That's the answer.
internet,
Yes.
audio.
Hmm. Because this is a smart study we are doing. This is the smart study. Is this? Isn't it? Isn't it or not? This is true or
Yes,
not? Hmm? This is called a smart
yes.
study. Yes. If we talk about offline classes, offline tuitions, so what is the difference between online smart class and offline? Could you please tell me?
In offline smart works, in front of our teachers are there.
Interaction. That is called
in-
interaction. Tell me. Repeat
interaction
this
between
word interaction.
student and teachers,
Yeah.
and in in smart meeting and online meeting, we don't do in a best conversation.
Conversation. Best conversation.
We don't do best conversation.
You don't, it means, what is the meaning is you don't do proper conversation on online mode.
Yes.
But I didn't agree with you. Because online mode is online mode actually is good mode. Nowadays everyone wants to learn by the social media. hmm? As you know, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, there are so many videos are there related to education. Okay, and at this time I am teaching you why the which device, by which source? By my
Zoom,
laptop.
laptop.
By the mobile. So these are the online devices, digital devices which we are using, presently. So these are useful or not useful?
Yes. So these are useful.
Useful na? Yes. So our digital devices are useful for us or not? Tell me. Yes.
Yes.
Why? Tell me the reason. Why?
Because I have if any problem we have, we search in mobile and laptop.
And if anybody wants to learn by the online mode, and for a lot of distance is there, and you sit anywhere, I sit my home, and we are connecting to each other. This is also a benefit. Yeah? Are you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes. Move your hand. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And tell me now, my second question is, so tell me now, successful, what is the meaning of success in your eyes? Tell me in your own words. One line, two line, anything you want to tell me. Just
Success means we we won the we won anything.
we won anything. We want to achieve
Yeah.
anything. Okay?
Achieve
Whether it
anything.
is our goals. Okay, your goals means goals. Goals meaning what?
Yes.
What? Tell me.
It means we like we achieve this thing.
Yes, we can
Achieve
achieve
anything.
and we should achieve our goals, our dreams. Whatever our dreams, sapne. What are our sapne? What are our dreams? What are our goals? All the things, mixture of the things is become it becomes a word success. Okay, it becomes a word success. All the mixture, जैसे for example दाल चावल खाते हैं, दाल अलग होते हैं, चावल अलग होते हैं. When we mix both things, तो what it makes? Delicious food. Hmm?
Delicious food.
What it makes?
Spicy food.
Delicious food. Rice and दाल, राइस एंड दाल मिक्स कर देते हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? क्या बन जाता है? What it makes? Delicious food.
Delicious food.
ओके. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने बनाया वेजिटेबल फ्राइड मिक्स वेज. मम्मा ने आज मिक्स वेज बनाया. आज मम्मा ने दाल भी बनाया. आज मम्मा ने राइस भी बनाया. और आज मम्मा ने बहुत डिलीशियस चपातीज बनाया. ये सारा फूड मिल करके मिक्सचर करके हमने सारी चीजें छोटा छोटी 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 चीजें सारी हमने टेस्ट की. All the things are going to be called a food, delicious food. Hmm? Got my point? Hello? Yeah, delicious food. All the things makes together and makes a delicious food. So likewise,
Yes.
our small steps every day get achieve our goal, achieve our success. Okay? So you understand my point? What I am trying to
Yes.
I'm trying to saying you. Hmm? So tell me, repeat the words which I told you right now. Tell me, what is success? Tell me again.
Success means we achieve anything and by in a small way, in a very slow way, and we achieve our goals. We
Yeah,
achieve with our
small.
goals.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now, second point is that, do you think English is important today? If it is important,
Yes.
why English is important? Why? Because Hindi is
Because
our mother tongue and Hindi is famous everywhere. Hindi is our mother tongue also. So why English is important?
the English is an international language. We if we go any country, any another country, we use English. Without English, we don't talk with any person.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन, नाइस। मैं ऐसे ही चाहती हूँ आपसे आंसर, फटाफट फटाफट जल्दी जल्दी बोला करो। ओके, you keep practicing at home also. You keep practicing whenever you get time. Your whenever you go to your aunt house and start to speak in English. Whether your aunt says to Pranav, what's happened with you? You are speaking in English suddenly out of the blue. What happens with you, Pranav? So you should tell her. Nowadays, I am learning speaking. ओके, सो जितना आप ना एक दूसरे से जितना आप डिस्कशन करेंगे ना लोगों से, यू गेटिंग गो यू स्मूथली, you remove your hesitation na. Okay, tell me two or three one more points about English. Yes, if it is important, so why it is important?
It is important for we go another country. Without English, we don't speak with persons, and after without in in a in a uh, in a modern in a modern
In the modern time.
in a
Hmm.
in a modern time, all are speaking in English, and without English, the person insult to each other.
Yes, definitely. Person are insulting to each other. They are topple down to each other. Hmm? So it is very necessary. Yes. And do you know English? Do you know?
Yes, I know English.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
do you do you know native speakers? Do you know native speakers how to speak in English? They are
No,
okay. I
I'm
want to
not
tell you.
know native.
Okay, native speaker, it means when you go out anywhere, like a foreigner, na? Like a foreigner. Do you know foreigners? Do you watch any when you go any place to visit? For example, Taj Mahal, you go and there are lots of foreigners, you know? Huh? They are
Yes.
speaking so well. They speak so well. Their English is like a native speaker. Hmm? They are speaking and I didn't get that point, what they speaks with us, because we are not familiar with English language. We are very familiar in our mother tongue. Okay,
Mother tongue.
mother tongue, yes. So okay, my next question is, what is more important, money or happiness? Tell me. Hello.
Money.
Money. Okay, so why is it is important? Money is why money is so important than happiness? Tell me.
In modern time, without money, anything is not anything is not by without.
Yeah. Clear your statement.
With without money, we don't buy anything.
You cannot buy anything.
Without
Yes.
money, anything's
Instead
not
of don't, you should use cannot. बिना पैसे के हम
cannot.
कुछ नहीं खरीद सकते. It means you say without money we cannot able to purchase anything. Hmm? Yes. Give me
And
two or four.
without money
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
without money, we cannot live.
But happiness, why happiness is not important? Happiness is also equal, na? Also equivalent to money. Hmm?
Mm,
According to you, money is important.
yes.
Okay. Okay. And tell me more reasons about why is money important. Okay, can be can we purchase happiness from money? Yes or no?
No. No.
Can we bring happiness? Can we purchase happiness from money?
No.
Sometime yes or sometime no. Because happiness, what? Happiness in our own soul. If we happy in our soul, in our inner soul, so money is automatically comes by our hard working, by our by our regular working.
Regular working.
Yadi if we chase money and go like na running every time we runs behind money for earning money, so can we happy every time be happy? Tell me.
No. No.
Na.
Not every time we happy.
Hmm. Exactly my point. Because happiness is another point, and money is different than happiness. No? Okay. Next question is, what are your future goals? Tell me. What are your future goals?
My future goals is neat.
Or how you accomplish your goals? आप कैसे पूरा करेंगे अपने goals को? Tell me. And आपके goals क्या क्या है? What are
with
your goals
with
in
the
your life?
stud with the study I complete our goals. With the hard work we I complete our goals. Hard work as smart work
By going to school every day,
every day.
by
Going
speaking
coachings
practice, okay?
and
Nowadays, you are in your maternal house.
yes.
Okay. So, how do you manage your school?
Uh, in the in this village, my my school bus is coming from Gwalior.
Okay, okay. Your school bus is coming from that side, na? So you can manage. Okay, right. Okay, so or tell me what motivate you? What motivates you to keep learning this language? Tell me, who motivates you to learning this language?
Uh, mot like a motivational
Hmm. It
speech
means मेरा कहने
or
का मतलब
study.
है कि ये लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए आपको किसने मोटिवेट किया? हु मोटिवेट्स यू टू लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज?
Mother, father, mother, father both.
Okay, why? Again, my
Because
point is the
he
same.
and she
Hmm. Yes, tell
because
me.
he saying with the English you learn many things.
Hmm.
You you write best framing. You do best framing.
And tell me one or more and more statement. You can tell me in a very describing way, not
With the
closed
English
answer. Try to discuss where we can say opening line questions answers. No.
with with the with the English we understand many things
Yes.
like in many books in schools are in English language. With the English we read books. and
Okay.
only
So, do you
this.
like English? Do you like English language?
No,
No. Why?
because in English there are many difficult words, grammar.
Grammar is not difficult. Grammar is very easy. Or in speaking part, grammar is not necessary. I didn't focus grammar at all. मैं ग्रामर पर
Not
फोकस नहीं
so
करती हूँ.
much.
जब मुझे बोलना होता है ना प्रणव, तो मैं बोलती जाती हूँ. वेदर इट इज राइट, वेदर इट इज रॉन्ग. आई एम फोकसिंग ओनली माई स्पीकिंग स्किल्स, नॉट ग्रामर. Grammar is very common, you know. If you command in tenses, you speak very well. Okay? Not every time you take pressure ki grammar is essential. Grammar is essential. Speaking English, no, it is not true. Literally, I would say English language or English speaking, in the English speaking scenarios, grammar is not important. But you have the basic knowledge like tenses. You have. And you have the basic knowledge. Good. Okay. So you didn't need to afraid of grammar. No. Grammar, ma'am, in your school, ma'am teaches you grammar. Okay. Ma'am teaches you lessons. Ma'am teaches you whole the language, and you are aware of that grammar portion. It is enough for speaking. It is enough. Okay. So from today onwards, we are not focusing at all like tenses, grammar. Yeah, sometime once in a week, I'll take your revision. I will take your revision as a whole grammar, as a whole tenses like present tense, past tense, future tense. But initially, what is the purpose to hear? What is the purpose of me and you? What is the purpose of your parent? Speaking English.
The pub
Speaking, it means public
and
speaking, you
speaking
know?
English.
To only focus on the speaking English. This is the reason when you are here and I am also in front of you. Okay? Not focusing on grammar. Grammar you are learning every day in your school, academy. Okay? So there is no necessary grammar. I will teach you grammar here. No, I am teaching you speaking skills, different speaking skills. How do you remove your hesitation? Okay. So that's why I am here to speak out to some different questions with you, discussing every day, because questioning and answering, it is the very important part for public speaking. Okay. Now, my next question is, have you ever helped someone? What happened? Have you
Repeat.
ever helped someone? आपने कभी किसी की मदद की है? अगर की है तो आपको कैसा लगा? Tell me. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैं कंफर्टेबल रहूंगी आपको बाइलिंगुअल पढ़ाऊंगी. यदि आपको एक बार में समझ में नहीं आता है क्वेश्चन की मैम ने क्या पूछा, आई वुड से आई विल ट्रांसलेट यू. ओके. बाइलिंगुअल बिकॉज
Okay.
it is little bit difficult for you also. Hmm? So my exactly point is
Mm,
that have you ever helped someone? Tell me.
yes, I helped to my sister.
Hmm. Sister and any person you help when you watch when you sees when the this man, yeah, this lady is in miserable condition, so I would help him. You something like na in your mind, ideas come in your mind.
Uh,
Any
I
imaginary
helped to
story,
my
you can make any imaginary story in your mind and you just tell me. Not your reality. I don't want listen your reality कि आपने reality में किसकी help करी है. No. आप क्या करा करो, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे पूछा हैव यू एवर हेल्प समवन, सो आप एक इमेजिनरी स्टोरी बनाइए अपने माइंड में. यस, वन डे आई हेल्प्ड अ बेगर मेंडिकेंट ना, मैंने एक बैगर की हेल्प की थी, एंड इट was ही was very miserable condition at that time. His clothes were messy, like इस तरीके से आप इमेजिनरी स्टोरी बनाइए और मेरे को बताइए. ओके.
Mm, before I helped my sister in school. Uh, she is going to parade practice in the last period, and last period yeah, and the bell is rang. Bell was rang.
Very good, very good. Well was
And
rang. It is wrong little bit. You should use only rang. The well rang. Okay? Past tense use करिए यहाँ. Okay? Yeah. Continue.
the bell rang, and I I take her bag. I take her bag for and uh, I I I put her bag in bus.
Okay. I understand. Then, what happened with her at that time? Because,
And
yeah.
she is saying to me, thank you
Okay, she
for.
exhausted. She exhausted while school hours. She little bit tired at that time. Why are you
Yes,
put her bag on in the bus?
yes.
What? What is the
In
reason?
parade,
Hmm? Yes.
he he going to parade practice. That's why she tired.
She tired, okay. She tired at that time. Okay. Okay, if I give you a position, a random position I will give you, there is a mendicant. You know, whenever you go any temple, you see a lot of beggars there. Hmm? And
Yes,
one of them is very in miserable condition, very messy condition. So what if he comes with you, कि please Pranav help me, so how can you help him at that condition? Tell me.
in that condition, I feel sympathy,
Hmm.
and I'm not do something because I'm not have any money for giving her and him,
Hmm.
and that's why uh, I say
What
to
are the
our
ways? Yeah,
parents.
yeah. What are the ways? By the ways you can help, you could help him. टेल मी द वेज. तरीके बताइए आप कैसे उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हो.
With I have a money that time, and I give to I give to the beggar,
Hmm. Next
and
one.
put, and I say to, and I buy food for beggar,
Hmm.
and I help if the beggar have any problem, I help her.
Okay. And you gave money. You will give money for food. Okay. And you purchase food also. Okay, for him. In this way,
Yes.
you will help him. Okay. So nice, very nice. So today's questions are what you learned from today's question and answering series. Tell me something new, something extra. Tell me.
Uh, I I I know some knowledge for many things.
Hmm.
I do my I do my best.
You will do your best every day. I hope so. and
and
stuck, you a little bit stuck somewhere. Many times you stuck a little bit, like na, while you are speaking, so hesitation in your mind at that time while you are speaking anything. So this hesitation removes gradually when you when we are discussing here one topic daily. Okay, so extra, I would say small steps. What happens? Small steps every leader, big success. If you start your learning journey daily, if you are serious in learning, so you achieve your goals. You achieve your good command in English. Hmm. Okay, now we will practice some advanced word versus basic. Hmm?
okay.
I'm busy now. I'm busy. So how could you say in advance?
I am busy now.
Hmm.
We say I am.
मैंने आपसे बोला भी था उस दिन, व्हाट्सएप पे
I'm.
मैसेज किया था आपको. Yesterday, it was Sunday, and I tied up little bit. I tied up, so I couldn't able to conduct the class on Sunday. I told you, no. Tied up means what? Tied
Tied
up
up.
means busy.
Busy,
It means
busy,
busy.
busy.
Yes. Tied up. Repeat this word.
Tied up.
Hmm.
Busy means tied up.
Busy. It means advance. Tied up. Okay. Okay. Now every time we repeat okay. Okay word means okay. Instead of this we should use got it. This is advance. Got it? Hmm?
Got it.
Okay. Yes, absolutely. Yes. It means it is
Yes.
advanced version of yes, absolutely. Let's
Yes.
say, for example, I am telling you that you are doing well. So you say absolutely I am doing well. Okay. Okay. Now I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know means not sure. I'm not sure.
Not sure. I don't know.
Write it down. Write it down in your notebook. I'm not sure. Next is call me. Call me, it means hit me up.
Bulana.
Call me, it means whenever I call you, so whenever your friend telling you call me, like instead call me, you should say hit me up. Hit, H-I-T, hit me up. It means not hitting, not fighting. It is meaning call me, it means hit me up. Okay,
Yes.
tired. I told you many times. Don't forget.
Tied up. Tired. Busy.
Tired of. Tired. I am tired today. Tell me in advanced version.
Tired. I mean. Tired means. Thakna.
Yes. Advanced. Advanced version. What would you say?
Advanced version is. Uh,
Exhausted.
exhausted.
Exhausted. I told you many times now. Exhausted.
Tied up.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry, it means my bad. Sorry, in the
My bad.
sense, whenever you feel sorry for any work, so you say, my bad. BAD, my bad. My apologies. My apologies.
My
I will
fault.
send you, na? I will send you your WhatsApp. Okay, you learn them properly. Okay, no problem. No problem. Instead of no problem, we should say all good. All good.
No problem. All good.
For example, I am asking you, there is any problem? So what would you say at that time? You should say all good. Hmm?
All good.